Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Hipcamp. So let me take you to their website, which is hipcamp.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Hipcamp is an online marketplace that helps travelers discover unique outdoor stays, including campsites, cabins, RV sites, and glamping experiences. The website connects adventurers with nature-rich properties hosted by landowners across the country. With HepCamp, you can book one-of-a-kind outdoor getaways and explore the great outdoors your way. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all these amazing places, and if you wanna book yourself an activity and experience, go ahead with it. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money from HipCamp. Possible? Why not? You simply join the affiliate program of HipCamp, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to HipCamp, you'll end up getting commission apart from other benefits too. So the affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? As such, I couldn't find any restrictions. To the consumers of which country can you promote them as an affiliate to get commission? Well, it seems you would only be able to get commission if you're bringing sales to them from these locations. So if you scroll down over here, explore more countries for HepCamp. So it seems they're only available to the consumers of these countries. That means if you bring sales to them from any of these countries, you should be able to get commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to this page, which is campaign.hipcamp.com/ambassadors. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well for your quick review. Now, they do not call affiliate program as an affiliate program, but rather the ambassador program because they consider all their affiliates as ambassador. And the HipCamp ambassador program is designed for people who are passionate about camping, inspiring others to get outside, and who embody HipCamp's mission to get more people into nature. Ambassadors are those people who love camping and outdoor exploration, are enthusiastic about sharing their experiences with others, live with passion and purpose, embodying HipCamp's mission to get more people outside, and are active on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. So they are very choosy when it comes to selecting the ambassadors. And if you scroll down, you can see more. What are the benefits for ambassador of HipCamp? So they get generous HipCash stipend with top-ups to fund their camping trips all year long. They get affiliate commission of 5% on every attributable HipCamp booking for eligible ambassadors. And then they also get $10 HipCash refer for every new activated HipCamper that sign up through their affairs, of course, and then exclusive merch drops and discounts from the HipCamp general store, special invites to HipCamp outs, team gathering, all hands meeting, and more opportunities to collaborate with the partners in the outdoor industry. So it's not like an affiliate program, it's more like an exclusive partnership you do with HepCamp when you become the ambassador. That's very nice of them. And then what make a great HepCamp ambassador? You can read about it, and then here is the form that you can use to apply. We're going to come back to it later. And then if you scroll down, you would be able to see more. So these are some of their amazing ambassadors who have been embodying their missions and vision and have been bringing more people to outside world, of course, for them to enjoy their life. So you can see and you can learn all about the ambassador program. And if you're interested to join the ambassador program, then you must have an Instagram account or a TikTok account where you can influence people who can go outside for camping and other stuff. So let's say if you do have, you can fill up this form. Now, all the information I'm going to mention here, that will be dummy just for the education purpose. Whatever information you write here, ensure it is accurate per the best knowledge of yours. Then I'm going to enter my full name here, which is John LNU. You can enter your full name, followed by the email address, Instagram handle that you have to enter as well. So let me add a test Instagram handle for myself. Your go-to camping style, so you can choose any of this. For me, I'm gonna go with I'm a tent camper. You're more interested in, so you can choose from this. So I'm more interested in earning affiliate income, your home country. So you can choose from any of the countries listed here, or you can just select somewhere else. Followed by click on submit button. When you do, you will get to see this message, which was like your application to the affiliate program team or the ambassador program team have gone. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that review, they could approve you to their affiliate program. So how would you know that you have been approved? You'll be notified by an email, the email address that you have given when you were trying to fill up the form for the ambassador program. How much time do you think they will take? It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. In between, if you ever want to reach out to them, You can submit a request using this webpage. So it is support.hipcamp.com/sc/en, and you can see the address in here. So you can use this webpage to submit the request. Now, let's say you have been approved. You will receive an email. In the email, there will be instructions to log into your affiliate platform, the affiliate dashboard. So once you're logged in, you will be able to see your tracking links over there. To promote HipCamp, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use your tracking link. So the instructions and the steps to use your tracking link should be there either in email or when you log into your affiliate dashboard. Once you have found your link, the next question arises, where can you promote them? So as we discussed, there are only two ways. You can either promote them through Instagram or through TikTok. Basically, you have to motivate people to come out and enjoy their life, correct? So you can either use Instagram, TikTok. On Instagram or TikTok, you may create real stories or just videos you prefer. Even posts should do as well. So whatever your main forte, your online presence is, you can choose it accordingly. The next question arises, let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? So again, you would be able to see your performance in the affiliate dashboard that you will receive access to after getting approval from them. What about the commission? So based on my research, you would be able to receive commission mainly via direct deposit and or PayPal, depending on your country. So this is how you find the affiliate program of HipCamp. You apply to them, and when you get the approval, you can start promoting them, bring sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you learning about the affiliate program of HipCamp. And as an affiliate, if you wanna get better in your affiliate marketing journey, I got some amazing resources for you. There are premium resources that you will be able to find in the video description. Also free available resources for you that I have created myself. You'll also find those in the video description. For now, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.